How does electricity work? Okay, let's dive in. Imagine tons of tiny cats. These cats are super fidgety. They love to bump into each other. Now picture a long, skinny hallway. The hallway is packed with these cats. If a cat at one end gets a nudge, it bumps the next cat. That cat bumps the next one, and so on. Pretty soon, a cat at the other end gets pushed out. That push is kind of like electricity. The tiny cats are like tiny parts of atoms. We call them electrons. They can move from one atom to another. When lots of electrons flow together, that's an electric current. It's like a river of tiny cat bumps. Things like batteries give the first cat a push. Wires are like the long hallway. They let the cat bumps travel easily. A light bulb is like a little cat toy. When the cat bumps go through it, it makes the bulb light up. So, electricity is like a chain reaction of tiny cat pushes.